day 121 and we're at Camboyan Falls. Probably just butchered that, but... Good morning. It is 9:20. The adventure Tour de Siquijor continues. We're sacking the haircut off because I'll just get it done tomorrow when we've got a half day in Bohol. We are going to go to that waterfall today. That was closed yesterday. Hopefully it's open. We're going to go back to the cliff jumping spot again so Santi can get in. And we are going to... Where else are we going? To another waterfall, and where else after that?
It depends on how much time we have, how long it takes.
Yeah, we've got a bit to do. Fair few bits to do, so yeah. Alright, we are just doing our laundry quickly. So it needs to be done before we leave. We are going to go, yeah, straight to that waterfall now. Good old Judith's laundry shop. Hopefully it comes back clean and not stained, but you never know here. But yeah, fingers crossed this waterfall's open. We're going to go there nice and early. It is only, well, it's not early, it's 9:30, but it's relatively early, so.
Moment of truth. Oh, closed again.
Oh, look at that.
How annoying. I wonder if they're going to open it later on today.
Damn, bro. Wait for the time, eh? Oh well. Oh, fuck's sake.
Closed.
Flags everywhere.
I reckon they're to scare away all the birds.
Oldest church?
One of the oldest churches, I think.
Quite a nice little area, this. Alright, we have made it to the waterfall that's actually open. We think we saw a dead dog again. It's just a common thing here, I think, because they do just lay in the road. Very silly. It's quite annoying, to be honest, because that one we saw on the way to the waterfall just a minute ago, literally laying in the middle. He probably knows that the middle is the safe spot, but I don't know. They just don't seem to care. I reckon this waterfall is going to be absolutely rammed because the other one's closed. We will see. Our towels stink because they're wet and I left them under the seat all night. Smell of damp shit. Not actually shit, but you know what I mean. So we're at Cambugahai Falls. That's how you say it. Another fox. There we go. Morning. Oh no, thank you. I've got one. Thank you. He's coming with us. Oh, a little hike down, eh? What goes down must come up. I can hear it. It's an absolutely huge trek down. Oh, absolutely long coming back up. Hope there's a rope swing here. Huh? That's quite high, that zip. Hello. Crazy. See how these people get on. Let go, let go, let go! Oh no. Very slippery. Oh yeah, there's loads. Gonna get wet feet. Oh, it's cold. It's quite nice. We do that rope swing. That one is pathetic. The 4th level. I do kind of just want to get in though, I'm sweating. Ow. Right, we are level 4. These people can do like a little fairy swing here, look. So they run around. Fairy walk. He's a little princess, isn't he?
Oh my god, I'm falling.
Right?
Yeah. Levels.
Yeah, we're gonna work. Yeah, we'll work our way down. Do a rope swing or 2. Yeah, I'll do 1. Auntie is gonna do 1.
No, I don't like the rope swing.
I don't know if you remember the clip from Lao. It was fucking ages ago. I don't even think it made the vlog actually. No, it didn't. Because Auntie told me off.
Well, I know I can't do them because I don't have the upper body strength. So as soon as I lift my feet up, I generally. Yeah,
but you didn't hold it that way. You should hold it the way he said.
But I didn't know to hold it then.
No, you do. No, it's no excuse not to do it.
Oh,
we're gonna go to the second one. That one was boring. So yeah, that was number 4. This is number 3. I think we're gonna pass on this one. It's just boring. I need to see people stacking it on the old, you know, rope swing. That dog's cute. So this is number 2. Number 1's the main one. They are cool though. Or do I enter that way? Probably ain't letting go. How do you get that way? Oh.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, what, you go under that way? No. Oh, where's he going? Oh, I want to see someone absolutely stack it. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh! Here we go. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god.
That looks fun.
She didn't let go last time, so see if she does it this time. Go on. Oh yeah. Woo! I'm not sure this guy's going to be able to hold his weight. He might be able to. Here we go, sports fans. This is what it's all about. We are leaving the falls, very good fun. Right, we are leaving, we'll climb up this fucking stairway to heaven to the next destination, which is Monkey Beach, but I don't know if it's actually, we don't know if it exists anymore. Don't know what I'm doing now, I've got a wet bum. Let's see where the waterfall goes.
Arrived at Monkey Beach, but apparently we've got to drive through the forest to get to it.
Oh god. Oh god. Where are the monkeys at?
I don't know. Can't see any.
How is this safe?
It's safer than some of the places we've gone.
I think I'd rather walk. Mind your head. God. Alright, Monkey Beach. Bad news is there's more steps. This better be a nice beach we can chill out for a bit. That was a fun ride through the woods.
Yeah, I did quite enjoy it.
It was a bit sketchy, but we made it. I had a dream last night we crashed a moped. Not bad, but hopefully that wasn't seeing into the future. We've only got another 2 more hires of scooters after today. So probably another 8 days of riding, so... Oh, big butterflies, I'm scared. Going that way, yeah. Yummy. Anyone else here? Where is everyone? Maybe it's just a plot to steal our scooters. There's no one here. Oh yeah, they are down there. Let's walk our way down then, shall we? Right, Monkey Beach. I'm not sure why it's called Monkey Beach. I feel like they're just popping out and getting people to come here hoping there's a monkey. Or 2 or 3 or 4. Or quite quiet, there's no one else here really. Monkey Beach is a scam. No monkeys. You don't have to pay to get in though, so that's the benefit. Oh. I don't think it was worth coming to Monkey Beach. That's cool to see, but Sansi was like, oh, I don't know if there's no TikToks on it, maybe it's closed or was destroyed in a typhoon or whatever. I think it's just no TikToks because it's just not really a place. It's pretty private. Like, it was absolutely beaming. It's a bit of a cloudy day today. You could sunbathe in peace and quiet and go do some snorkeling and that, but that's about it. Back up the steps we go. These boats are very old. Why can they just carry him in? Said earlier this wasn't that bad. Going back up. Oh, it looks quite long. That was fucking long. Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. That little lizard. He's gone. Oh, bottomed out there. Which way?
That way, I think.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Right, so we are at Firefly Treehouse, run by an English guy. Little huts. There's a waterfall behind it. We're going to grab some food and then go make our way down. It's quite cute. Look at it. Pizza rolls. Interesting. That one's spicy, wasn't it?
No, that one's spicy.
These pizza rolls are dank. Hello. High five. I'll give you some when I'm done. Right, food is done. That was good. That's really cheap as well. It's like $6.20 for iced coffee, 2 small cokes, side of chips, pizza rolls, and Sansi's noodle dish, which is like maybe like £7. Crazy.
Did you think they built these steps?
I'm not sure. Oh, I don't know if there's a rope swing here.
Yeah, there is.
How do you know that? Crazy. Oh, there's a doggy on the waterfall. Be careful, dog. I think there's a little rope swing. Oh, it's so slippery.
Huh?
I think this bit's a bit better. Oh, it's so nice and cold. Oh God. Huh? Don't know. Quite pretty. Yeah, it's like no one here. There's 3 other people here maybe. That's pretty nice. It's fully like 2 other people here. That is it. which is kind of mental. Look at that. Right, I'm going to rope swing in. So it looks nice and pretty. Yeah, right. It's very quiet, look at that. How was my form? Was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Quite nice. Do you want to, I'll do that again. Bring your phone here.
My phone? Why my phone?
Or zoom it in and get loads of super, super cool. I'm going to try and hold on with the camera, see how that goes, but probably not well. Try and hold on. Beautiful little spot. Right, but I don't know if I'll be able to. We can give it a good old go. Oh god. Might have to hold on like this. Oh god. Woo! Oh, how clean was that then? Well, that was clean, I think. Fancy a bit giving it all this chat, like, go up there, go up there. She ain't doing it. But what?
You do more jumps than I do. I quite like relaxing.
Oh yeah, sure thing. This could be me. It's quite a pleasant little waterfall, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Do a front flip. It's quite high. Yeah. I reckon that's a good...
I reckon it's about 4 or 5 metres. I reckon it's 4.
Lovely. Woo! Felt like a bum slap, that. This is a nice waterfall. Compared to the other one, there's no one here, and you don't have to pay to use the ropes here. The other one is like a glorified water park, to be honest, but this is just more natural. He's definitely doing a backflip. Maybe. Ah. I'm gonna go jump. Shall I take the camera off? No, because I have to focus on. I'll go jump. Get really close to it.
No, I can't be here. Yay!
Absolutely great form on that jump, if I do say so myself. It's quite high. You can't think about it, you just have to fucking send it, because the longer you sit up there, the worse it gets. It does, but you've done bigger. Your lashes.
I hit the bottom.
Did you? Did it hurt? Are you alright? Next thing.
No, it made me like startle myself.
How was it? Fun?
Yeah, it's really muddy down there.
It is really muddy. Right, we're gonna have another go. I'll hold the camera again. Woo! Woo! Oh, it's raining. In the rainforest, in the rain, in the waterfall. Absolutely lovely. Right, let's do it again, shall we? Rope swing in the rain. Oh my god, I can't do it. She's scared, bless her. It is pissing it down. Quite nice. We are going to take a stroll back up to the cafe. It's absolutely pissing. Look at the towels. But when you're in the water, it's no issue. Even now, like, we're wet, so it don't really matter. But whew, I'm going to dry off. Hopefully, I don't know how, because
maybe they'll have some dry towels.
we ain't got any towels. Yeah. That was a cool waterfall. That was. Very much enjoyed that. Don't forget how slippery it was. Don't forget how slippery it was up here. Probably had the most rain today. Huh? In where? Legs are filth.
Huh?
Back of your legs are filth. Oh my god, this is going to be tough in the... Yeah, it's tough in the rain. This little walk. Proper rain in this, kid. Slipping, sliding. This is so funny. Mud, look at this.
Oh my god, I'm I can't even.
Mud steps to a waterfall is a crazy idea. We made it to the top. Jesus Christ. Did nearly die a few times. Right, operation try and get out of here now is a go. This might be a bit tricky, a bit techie. Why are the helmets there?
They must have fallen off.
Someone tried stealing our helmets. Operation get out of here.
It's only got 1 foot.
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. Hello.
We are back at the cliff jumping because Nancy didn't get to jump in. It's not really a cliff jump, this bit. That bit definitely is, but the bit down here isn't. Yeah, Nancy didn't get to go in last time, so give it a go again. Yeah, so no one's doing it. Are you gonna wear your? Do you want me to jump then?
Why is no one in there?
Don't know. Right, go jump in the sea, shall we again? Survived yesterday, so I can do it again. Go on. Alright, snorkeling, well, not snorkeling for me. Alright, out we go on the sharp rocks. Well, we have come back to Palaton Beach to get the rings made out of the British coins. Hopefully he can do it. He's not here at the moment, but I think he's coming back. Definitely feel like there's going to be a storm tonight. Seems like there's one brewing. And that last snorkeling spot we went to was well rough, so I was a bit sketched out by that. We don't know if he's here. The guy is trying to look for him, but I don't think he's about.
Somewhere.
He is here somewhere. Just don't know where, yeah. Bloody who knows, mate. Alright, mission failed. Oh, we will go back to the hotel and we're going to drop him a message, see if he can do it at our hotel. He said he can, so yeah, back to the hotel. Right, we are going to go out for dinner. We've got a washing. It's all wet, so hopefully it dries out. Turn the aircon off so it helps, all that help it dry out.
Yeah, turn the aircon off.
Okay, we're going to go out for dinner. We are at Dolce Amore. We have just waited half an hour for our table. Sanzi's getting pasta, I'm getting pizza. Well, we haven't actually ordered yet, but I assume she's getting pasta because she don't like pizza. What is it? Vitamin C.
A vitamin C boost.
Vitamin C booster.
I don't feel well. I think I've got a cold.
It's got ginger in it.
No ginger. I thought I better stock up so it's got, you know, all the goodness like blended carrots.
Yummy. Gnocchi fungi. Yummy.
So good.
Has it got mushroom in it?
Yeah, but they're big.
It's alright. What's in the gnocchi? So this pizza you have to roll it up. Not sure why,
I think
but
it's like a stuffing crust. You're meant to eat it at the same time.
That was a long cheese pull. Done. Santi cannot finish that.
That was a big bowl of pasta.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that food was very good. Very good indeed. We're going to head back and play with the puppies. Where's our bike? Here. I'm going to miss these doggies. the dad, the puppy, the mum, and the other dog under there. There's another one floating around somewhere, the scared one. They're really cute.
It's asleep up there, I think.
Look at them. They actually love life.
You can see it, it's resting its head on the banister.
Hi. Yeah, definitely the best.
Did you fall over?
Look at them. How can you not love them? He's going to town, kid.
Thirsty. Can you drink now he's finished?
Hi. We saw you at the beach, didn't we? But yeah, gonna end the video there. Busy day today. Tomorrow we travel to Melbourne. I might do a video. Probably not. Bohol, sorry, not Melbourne. I don't know if I'll do a video, maybe. But yeah, we're shattered. We need to pack.
I am exhausted.
Yeah, been a busy day. Busy few days, to be honest.
But we're gonna miss you.
Oh. Yeah, these dogs are so cute. Look at this. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.